No.
You don't even walk in there, trust me. Is it that one?
Yeah, it is actually. Yeah,
that one there.
Yeah, could I have that one, please?
Let me just check I've got it in stock.
Oh, okay, thank you. Guys, I've come to Chanel in Boots because I want a lip gloss. It's like a gold one that I used to have. And yeah, I think I'm gonna get it if it's in stock. Can you even hear me? My mask. But yeah, I'll do an unboxing when I get home. Oh really? Yeah, it's so pretty, isn't it? So.
Anything else for you?
Oh no, that's everything. Thank you. Is that one?
Do you have a profile with you?
Oh no, I don't.
Sorry, Anna, I hope I'm not.
Where'd Millie go?
I don't know.
Is she looking at the Fenty Beauty? Oh, maybe. Okay, thank you.
So cheap? What?
So cheap?
Glad you think that's cheap.
That's been quite a lot for like a lip gloss.
For a lip gloss, yeah. But it's Chanel.
It's not like overly priced, like shocking. Like, I think that's quite a lot still.
With makeup, it's not too bad compared to others on the market, yeah.
Yeah.
In fact, the orange, they know the type of range, like Lancome, they're similar price. But then when it gets to the moisturizers and the fragrance,
Thank you.
oh, you're welcome. Let me give you. Oh, your receipt will come out. Let me do a different.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Oh no, it did come out. I popped it in.
Oh, did you?
Yeah,
oh yeah, it did. Yeah.
Do you want to pose with?
Okay. Right. Ah. Oh my god, wait a minute. Great, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, you too. Yeah. Yeah, it's still quite a lot. So I got the, I think I said earlier on actually, but I got the gold Chanel lip gloss. I wasn't actually planning on getting it, but she gave me like so many like samples as well, which I'm really happy about now that I got it. So, but I'm gonna unbox it and like do a cute unboxing on my channel, which will be a separate video because I'm churning out the content as of late, which I'm really proud of. Where's Millie? Millie!
My dog, Giorgio Armani.
Hi. Millie's at the Chanel counter. Did you actually?
Yeah, my dog is Giorgio Armani. Really?
I love that. That's iconic.
I called my dog Coco Chanel, but like, it died.
Oh god. Now it's like, when I named my dog, I was like, everyone names their dog Hugo Boss or Chanel or Paris or something like that.
Paris Hilton.
Then I named my dog Giorgio Armani.
Oh, that's cute. I like that. It should have been
Millie's getting a what are you getting? A makeup remover.
Yeah.
Ooh.
We'll see how it goes.
Chanel, 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 Chanel babies. I actually love Chanel so much.
What you can do.
Sorry.
That's alright, lovely. You can then
This is what Millie's getting. She's getting this.
Oh, transfer over. Just
Cute, and loads of samples.
Thought you lost it. Found it. I'll
Oh, what is that?
transfer it over for you.
Oh, I think you gave me that. God, we're so cringe. We're like,
I love it though.
I'm getting so much content in. Oh, this is cute.
Look at me.
I love how big your bag is.
Not on my level.
I love that continuous shooting right now.
Oh my god, you need the flash on it. I actually went to Chanel earlier on in central London in the Boots, and I went to the Chanel makeup section. It's makeup, by the way. Obviously there's not going to be a bag in here exactly, is there? I went with Millie, by the way. I actually filmed it. Millie got some Chanel as well. I think she got a moisturiser or a makeup remover, I'm not quite sure, but wherever she got it, Chanel, so it's stunning. But yeah, I thought I'd unbox this little bag for you guys because she gave me like loads of testers, so I want to see what testers she gave me. She was so nice. She like literally gave me loads of testers, and I was like, oh my god, and then she gave Millie loads of testers, which you obviously saw on camera because I filmed it as well. But yes, so the main thing I actually went in there for was, oh no, that's not it. I went in for the lip gloss. I absolutely love lip gloss, as you can see. I mean, I actually have a lipstick on right now and then lip gloss over the top of it. But I went in for a lip gloss that I've had before. Will it focus? And this is the lip gloss I got. I had got the gold one before and I actually really like it. So this is the one I got. It's so pretty. It's gold with like, wow. It's weird because you pay like nearly £30 for it and it doesn't have a smell. But the Revolution one that I do have, I actually have one now, has a nice minty smell, but I guess that Revolution one is the plumping one. This is the lip gloss that I got, and I'm just really excited to use it. I'll show you in a video what it looks like on, but if it will focus, I can actually show you. I don't know if it's going to focus, but it's like, as you can see, it's like shimmery and it's absolutely beautiful. And I had it before. I've had it before. Is it focusing? Yeah, I've had it before, and I wanted it again. It's a bit sticky, I think, which I'm not really the biggest fan of sticky lip glosses or lipsticks, but I just really wanted it because I haven't treated myself to like a nice makeup item in quite a while, so that's what I wanted to do. So yeah, that's the main item that I actually got. So I'm not sure what they all are because I just can't read. But this is the first thing she gave me, and it's actually massive, like for a tester. I think this might be mascara, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not quite sure. Can't open it. Oh my god. What is it? Oh, it's a moisturiser. She gave me a little moisturiser. Is it going to focus though? Yeah, look at that moisturiser. It's so cute. Oh my god, I love. Okay, that would be really fun to use. What else did she give me? This is... Oh, this is the mascara. Cute. So that's what mascara looks like. It's this really cute packaging. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, this is the mascara. It's literally tiny, like... It's like smaller than my middle finger. It is a tester, I guess. Oh, it smells quite nice. But yeah, that's the applicator, which, honestly... Will it focus? No. Which is exciting, because I'm going to actually try that tomorrow. So stay tuned for what's that like. I might do a review on it, actually. The next thing. The next thing... Oh, she gave me perfumes! Oh. I know why she gave me perfumes, because I was actually talking about that I have number 5 Chanel, which is actually up there, I can see it here. But yeah, I was talking about it in the shop because I was talking to Justine, which was actually so funny because I came in, I went straight to the Chanel counter. I can't smell that. I'm not gonna spray it now because I don't want to waste it. Maybe I'll buy the bottle. Yeah, I was talking to Justine and no, so yeah, I went straight to the Chanel counter and then Justine came in and she was actually taking photos today. So she had like her massive camera on her. So she came in and I don't think the lady who was serving me in the Chanel counter knew it was her. And obviously like Chanel's like a really nice brand, isn't it? It's like expensive. So she was like taking photos of me in the store. So I think like the lady thought like a paparazzi had come in and I was like, famous. But that was what was happening in my head, but I don't know. But yeah, these are two, oh my god, I have such a wild imagination. These are two cute little testers she gave me of perfume. And then the last thing she gave me was, oh, receipt. This, and this is the Rouge Coco Flash Chanel, and you open it like this and then oh look at that, that's so cool. Oh my god, the light's like shimmering off it. What are they? Oh, they're like, oh, you know what they are? They're different colours. Look, you can see all the colours in the background. They're like different lipsticks, so you can try them like every day. That is stunning. Look how cool that is and how many different colours there are. Look, oh my god. Literally a Chanel advert going on here. I love it. Oh my god, that's really exciting. I'm going to definitely use those. Like literally last me like a couple of weeks. But yeah, that is basically my unboxing haul of Chanel. I'm really excited actually, because I'm really excited to use this lip gloss, and like I said, I'm going to show you what it looks like on camera. When I do another video, I'll just sneak it in. Or maybe I'll do a review. I'll do a review actually, because I haven't done a review in ages on my channel, and that's like my most popular video on here. It's like nearly on like 1,500 views, which, oh my god, thank you guys so much. It's going up like all the time. Don't know why. But yeah, that was me unboxing my Chanel goodies. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I shall see you soon, hopefully for another Chanel unboxing. Maybe Dior, maybe Yves Saint Laurent, who knows. But yeah, see you soon. Bye.